Armin at Arlene, happy birthday. Wala ako dyan, kaya dito na ako nagpa-party. Nandito sila, nagpa-party na. Ayun sila, nagpa-party na. Happy birthday.
Hello to all of you. God bless. Ate Armin, Ate Arlene, happy birthday. Senior. Senior na tayo. Malapit na rin ako. God bless. Alam nyo, mahal na mahal namin din kayo. Mahal nyo kami since mga bata pa kami. Inalagaan nyo kami. Pag nandiyan ako, nagbabakasyon. At alam ko na mahal na mahal nyo kami. I love you all. God bless. Happy birthday, Ate Armin, Ate Arlene. Sana more blessings and God bless to all of you. Love you.
Hello everyone! Musta na kayong lahat? Ate Arlene, Ate Armin, binabati ko kayo ng happy birthday. Senior na kayo ha? Tumanda na. Sana maging masaya ang celebration ninyo. Sana magpatuloy pa rin ang maging malusog kayo. Stay healthy, stay pretty. At sana makayanan pa yung mga problema darating sa buhay nyo. Enjoy your day!
Hi mga kapamilya! Kumusta na kayong lahat? Ginawa ko voice file na ito para batiin ang kambal sa kanilang 60th birthday. Arlene and Armin. Arlene, di ko man maibigay ang iyong birthday wish. Hehehe. Binabati kita ng isang maligayang kaarawan. At ma-enjoy mo diyang kasama ni Armin at ng pamilya dyan sa Pinas. Armin, wish ko din sa iyo na matupad ang pangarap mo sa buhay. Kung ano man iyon, bahala ka na. Tanong ni Cynthia, bakit daw ayaw ko ng live video? Sabi ko, ayoko makikita ang bungi. Sagot ni Cynthia, hindi naman kayo nag-iisa eh. Haha.
Hello, Mami, Arlene at Armin. Happy birthday. Medyo busy ako ngayon. Punta ako sa trabaho. Happy birthday. Thank you. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Alright? And next year, uwi na ako. Sana mag-abot tayo. Mami, ha? See you. Yung rosary mo, meron ako rosary doon. Okay? Bye-bye.
Good morning, Philippines. Happy birthday, Ga Arlene. Wishing you a day full with joy, laughter, and amazing milestone. Celebrating your incredible journey and a wonderful person as you are, with many more adventures in life to come. Happy birthday. Maaga pa ako sa school. Kagabi, I didn't have chance to send you this message because I went to play tennis, and then this morning I thought, okay, I have to do this early in the morning because later I don't have a chance again if I'm in school already. So I'm sorry that it's a little bit weird. But then daya mo, you'll have your 60th birthday there, so mag-birthday ka ulit pagdating mo dito. Ano ka, hindi ka pwede mag-bail sa amin. You have to do it when you come back. Anyways, enjoy your birthday with your family and your twin sister. Happy birthday to her also. At saka, yeah, have fun. Malamig dito. Maraming may mga sipon. At saka, including me. Maraming may mga sipon, may mga sakit. So, have fun in there, okay? And then, yeah, come back safe. healthy, strong, ready to work again as usual, since that's what we do here, right? Work, work, work. That's why you're lucky to go there. So I'm jealous. I don't like it, but so is that's life, right? Yeah. So then, happy birthday! And enjoy! Isama kami sa mga sayawan. Bye. I'll call you on your birthday, okay? Okay. Bye! Bye sa lahat. Enjoy kayo dyan.
Happy birthday, Ate Armin, Ate Arlene. Masaya kami at nakaabot kayo sa 60th birthday nyo. Sana bigyan pa kayo ng magandang kalusugan at enjoy kayo sa araw na ito.
Hello, Ate Arlene, Ate Armin. Happy 60th birthday sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa Panginoon at kayo ay binigyan ng mahabang buhay pa. Sana ay maraming birthdays pa ang dumating sa inyo at maraming blessings.
At mag-enjoy kayo ngayong araw na
Mag-enjoy
ito,
lang kayo.
yung birthday nyo.
Pasensya na hindi kami nakauwi, pero manonood na lang kami sa mga videos nyo, sa mga uploads nyo, sa mga updates sa mga pinsan. Happy birthday
Happy
ulit!
birthday ulit, Ate Arlene, Ate Armin.
Arlene, Ate Armin.
So enjoy your day.
Enjoy at ingat kayo palagi dyan.
Bye-bye.
So,
Alles Gute zum Geburtstag.
yeah. Happy birthday. More
Uy,
birthday to
alles here.
come. At
Und,
sa kambal mo, happy birthday din.
und bleib gesund.
Yeah, mag-enjoy kayo sa inyong kaarawan. So, bye-bye.
Wiedersehen.
Liebe Grüße und in Germany. So, bye-bye. Tschüss.
Hallo Eileen, wir wünschen dir alles Liebe zum Geburtstag.
Das wünsche ich dir auch von ganzem Herzen. Hab einen schönen Tag.
Bleib gesund. Tschüss.
Tschüss.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Eileen. Happy birthday to you. Tschüss.
Hallo Arlene.
Alles Liebe zum Geburtstag. Viel Glück.
Happy Birthday. Bleib fit und gesund und habt eine schöne Feier. Und
Eine schöne Zeit.
see you next year. Bye bye. Tschö.
Ciao.
Herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Geburtstag, Ate Arlene.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. 60 is
Young
still,
girls.
60 is still sexy.
Yes.
Mama Aline, alles Gute zum Geburtstag.
Jetzt.
Hallo Sister Arlene und Armin. Und feier schön eine schöne Party. Wir wünschen dir zu deinem 6. Geburtstag eine schöne Feier, viel Glück, viel Gäste, viel Geschenke und bleib gesund.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to both of you. Welcome to the club.
Happy birthday.
Happy Birthday, Aline und Armin aus Soltau. Warte. Wir hoffen, dass ihr eine schöne Geburtstagsparty habt. Alles Gute für euch zum 120. Geburtstag. 60 plus 60. Muss mal irgendwie gucken, so. Wir sind hier gerade beim Adventscafé und schicken euch liebe Grüße. Tschüss.
Ciao.
Hallo, ihr lieben Zwillinge, Arlene und Armin. Ich wünsche euch alles Gute zum Geburtstag, zum 60. Bleibt gesund und werdet mindestens 100 Jahre alt. Ich wünsche euch alles Gute. Wow.
Ja. Hallo. Happy birthday, Arlene und Armin, my loving twin sister. Enjoy at more birthdays to come. At pasensya na kayo kung wala ako dyan kasi alam niyo naman ang dahilan. At marami pa namang birthday na magkakasama-sama ulit tayo. At sana i-enjoy niyo yung birthday niyo ito kasi nakaabot kayo ng 60. Thanks God. And enjoy your day. And happy birthday again. Mahal ko kayo.
Hallo Aline und Armin.
Und Armin. Happy Birthday.
Alles Gute zum Geburtstag.
Eine schöne Feier.
Have a nice day. Enjoy it. Was sagen?
And see you next year.
Okay. See you. Bye bye. We
Bye-bye.
miss you.
Happy birthday, Oma. Happy birthday, Tita Armin.
Bleib gesund.
Bleibt gesund.
Viel Spaß euch!
Magkaroon pa sana kayong dalawa ng mahabang buhay at dapat lagi kayong malusog. Ingatan ang katawan.
Ja.
Love you!
Bye.
Bye.